The migration of capital is a present-day reality. Wealth is leaving static, crumbling institutions and reorganizing into programmable systems. The initiative known as Project Exodus has fully matured into an active operational institution, Sigma BankAI. Operating within this ecosystem requires access to the Sigma portal and strict adherence to the P.O.I.S.E framework: pride, ownership, integrity, service, and enterprise. These 5 principles act as the system's core constraints. By the end of this briefing, you will have the steps to convert your daily attention into verifiable on-chain capital as one of the first 2,000 foundational nodes. The difference in architecture is specific. Legacy banks are built as static infrastructure. Sigma operates as dynamic orchestration. Traditional banking relies on a linear extraction of wealth, but a network model facilitates multi-directional capital flow directly between nodes. The grid separates into the orchestration stack. AI executes operations, blockchain verifies transactions, and native currency aligns incentives. Participating in this architecture requires no programming skills or specialized hardware. Understanding this transition from structural banks to software-defined orchestration is the required first step to capturing value in the network. Navigate to the Sigma BankAI web portal to secure a positional advantage on the grid. Locate and click the Activate Your Wallet button to initiate the secure GCP-backed wallet generation process. In this system, a node is an active, validated user wallet connected to the grid. To confirm your activation, locate the unique alphanumeric node ID sequence and the green Genesis Layer Active status indicator on your dashboard. This activation permanently anchors the ecosystem's reward protocol to your specific position in the network. Legacy media models mine user attention for corporate ad revenue. Sigma tokenizes that same attention for the user's benefit. The conversion pipeline begins when you watch a briefing or engage with platform content. Step 2 occurs as the system's AI verifies your attention and converts it into a logged signal. The pipeline then morphs that verified signal into tokenized value. This value settles on-chain, depositing directly into your activated Genesis wallet. The P.O.I.S.E framework governs this process, ensuring only authentic human engagement generates value. This pipeline transforms time spent viewing into a verifiable wealth-generating asset. Network expansion operates through compounding logic rather than linear addition. You can locate your unique expansion link within the dashboard interface. Growth follows the Fibonacci sequence. This diagram illustrates the 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8 expansion pattern mapped across connected nodes. As the nodes multiply, each referral increases the computational intelligence and transaction velocity of the entire grid. This expansion activates a 3.0 growth multiplier on your individual account metrics, visible on the statistics panel. Deploying the expansion link acts as a structural mechanism to increase the financial leverage of your individual node. Once your dashboard is active, the transition is complete. You are officially a foundational node. The structural shift is active. Within this network, capital flows horizontally through the nodes, rather than upward into static institutions. Trigger your initial on-chain settlement by watching your first content module on the platform. Deploy your expansion link to introduce new users and lock in your positional multiplier. The white paper is live. The network has formed. Your Genesis position is active. The only question left is positional. Welcome to the Exodus.